Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer USDT from Kucoin to Coinbase wallet. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Kucoin application. Once you have logged into your Kucoin application, after that you just need to simply tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner and click on the funding at the top. Now you will find withdraw button. Simply tap on withdraw from this list of cryptocurrencies. In this search bar you have to simply search for USDT and select USDT Tether. Once you landed on this page here, you will need to paste the withdrawing details such as wallet address, network and the amount of USDT you want to transfer into your Coinbase wallet. Now in order to get the address, you just need to simply minimize your Kucoin and open Coinbase wallet. Once you have logged into your Coinbase wallet application, after that simply tap on the add crypto and click on this blue highlighted receive crypto button. After that, here you can see Tron address, so simply tap on this Tron address, and after that at the bottom click on the get address. Simply tap on it and click on the copy address button. Now you have successfully copied your USDT Tron address, and after that reopen your Kucoin and paste this address here. After that, select the network, which is automatically auto-matched to Tron TRX, but if you have to select manually, so simply select Tron TRX or you will lose your funds. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer into your Coinbase wallet account. Once you filled all this information, simply tap on the withdraw button at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Kucoin to Coinbase wallet. And that's how you can transfer USDT from Kucoin to Coinbase wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.